we're gonna head out to Suncoast Casino for a little bit, not too long. Hopefully we win a little bit of money. We have a very small budget. We're not even really gonna gamble much there, but we're gonna go check it out. Never been there. It's not too far away. It's actually next to Rampart Casino, the one we went to the other day. Hopefully we win some cash.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Man, Suncoast Casino. Probably my last stint at this place, man. We lost like 300 in that bitch. Man, we're gonna try Rampart for a couple minutes and back home, guys. I don't know what's going on. Everybody keeps telling me, go to the local spots, go to every local spot. The only one I ever did decent was the Cannery. Cannery is the only one I ever did decent. Everywhere else, nothing. We played a lot of Buffalo machines. Barely any bonuses. When you did hit a bonus, you might have won like $3 or $4. And we played high bet, low bet. It didn't really matter, but no luck over here. All right, we're at the Rampart Casino. $100 is the max at this place, and then we got to head back home. But our little strategy, we're gonna bet lower, and if we hit a little bit, we'll bet a little bit higher. But for some reason, sometimes you bet lower, you lose your ass. Sometimes you bet higher, you lose your ass. So we gotta have a little strategy in here. We know a couple buffaloes that we were hitting pretty good last time we came, so cross your fingers we at least redeem half of our losses today. Whew, man, that was a rough one. Down 160, I think 160 or 180 in that place. So headed back home, eat some lasagna, and man, I've been giving the locals casinos a shot, and it's just not paying out. So, but I don't know. I got to stick to cards, blackjack, poker, and everything like that. Slots is, I don't have too good of luck on slots. So, but we're gonna head back home, and appreciate you guys watching the videos. We are closing in on 4,000 subscribers. Hopefully we get there very soon. We got some new segments coming up, walkthrough videos, and exploring Las Vegas. We're going to explore all kinds of different places in Las Vegas. But we'll see you guys next time. It is September 5th, Saturday. We're headed to a brand new local spot, Osaka Hibachi Japanese Steakhouse. We're going to be live there. You're going to see the awesome footage, the awesome video, and we might check out a local spot after that. We got a small budget, but let's go check it out. Just got out of Osaka Japanese Steakhouse. It was awesome. It was really good food. You guys saw the footage. Really good company too. There was a couple in front of us. Big shout out to them if they ever see this video. Really nice. They were cool about the YouTube. There was one couple that wanted a different table because I had the live stream rolling, but I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. We're gonna head to Molly's Casino. Give it a shot, guys. If you spend 20 and you lose 20, you get 20 back. So 40 bucks for 80 bucks. So let's go check it out. Got out of Molly's. We had a lot of fun. If you play 20 and lose that, you get $20 free play. We lost like 140 in here though, so we were up to like 90 bucks winnings, but we kept playing. It was fun. We were there for a while, a couple hours, so I know it sucks, you know, people are like, well, you lost in the long run. But yeah, we did lose in the long run, but we had a lot of fun. Small little place, little local owned place, Molly's Casino off Rainbow. And yeah, they got a lot of cool promotions in there. You can win up to $10,000 randomly. But we had fun. Mom, did you have fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
But I don't like losing. Either way, we still lost.